Good evening. This is Russell. Tonight we have a demo with Microsoft Teams and playing content that is posted out in the cloud. It seems to be running faster if it's out there. Most of this stuff is on OneDrive. This is sort of an all Microsoft thing, just it's Teams, it's Windows 10, it's OneDrive, it's PowerPoint. Just they seem to play well together. The one kind of Mac thing is I have a Keynote segment in the middle. So what we start with is, what you're seeing is the view of the participants' desktop, not mine. That is what you would see. So just to make that clear. So from there, okay, so we go to a static web page. With an introduction, it's kind of whatever you want to put on there. With a mouse click, we can go to our timer, start that guy, and that runs. It doesn't really do anything at the end, but it's kind of cool. Now, with the next click, we're going to open Keynote. Keynote does not play well remotely in this deal. You have to watch it load. Then you have to put it into show mode, and then you can go through, and it looks pretty clean once it's there. But you can't preset it in show mode. Yeah, because what it does is it takes over the screen, and you can't do anything else when it's in show mode. Okay, so with mouse click, let's get into our Keynote. Okay, so here we are. And again, the whole premise of this is if something has a URL, if something has a keyboard command, it's really easy to run it with a button push from Streamdeck. And so that's how we can just get into show mode or full screen mode on the browser and crank through these things, because they're all being advanced sort of under the hood with Streamdeck. And like I was saying, the Keynote seems to be the worst offender in this. I can't get audio to run. It actually calls out that audio does not run from the cloud source. Non-standard fonts are not supported because you can't build them in. You could turn it into a PDF and run it that way. You won't get animations that way, but it is an option. The other option is in my previous video, running Keynote from a local machine looked very good. So that might be something to run locally instead of from the cloud. Okay, so now we go over to PowerPoint. And go through this. This is all posted on OneDrive. Next slide has audio. This whole system does honor audio coming from coming from the PowerPoint deck. Okay, last slide. Now we have 3 videos. First one is our favorite Anna Kendrick and Conan clip, and let's watch.
It's a big part of the culture now, especially with younger people, naked selfies.
I listen, like naked selfie your life away. I like go do your thing, but clean your room. I don't understand. Wouldn't you prefer a clean room, a naked girl in a clean room to a naked girl in a messy room? I'm just saying, if I were a guy, I would be seeking out the neat freaks and asking them for naked selfies.
Right, right.
It bothers me.
So you notice that when you're looking at the naked selfies.
You went through all the trouble to, like, you know, strike the pose and do the thing. Make your bed.
Yeah. That's so funny that you're noticing stuff in the background, like that picture. That picture clashes with the wallpaper. That comes down. That moves.
Who is your decorator, madam?
Yeah.
Your abs are wonderful, but stop it.
Okay, this takes us to our Sony logo, and next click is the Sony headphones video.
Noise cancelling.
I miss this baby when you're gone. And then this nightmare, yeah, I know I'm crazy. No lullabies when I'm alone. I miss this baby when you're gone. I miss this baby when you're gone.
And our last video is the GT5 PlayStation video. And that's it for the demo.